Hi guys, today we have iPhone 7 Plus water damaged. The customer dropped the device onto the water and then he brought the device to us after he told us the device is no longer working. But they told me they put it with the rice, but nothing happens. How things could be happens, the rice doesn't do anything. Anyway, I'm going to remove the two screws and then I'm going to proceed to separate the screen and remove it. You can notice the water still didn't get dry. This is perfect. When the water get dry and turned into corrosion, and then things start happening and short and anything damaged could be happens. We always advise the customers when their phones get into the water, they should immediately bring it to us and open it and get it dry and clean with the alcohol. What I'm going to do is to remove all the parts, especially the boards I'm going to remove, and then put it in the ultrasonic, and the other pieces I'm going to get them manually one by one and clean the flex cable. This is what we have to do on all cases, and then we put the device after the ultrasonic, after the cleaning, we assemble and test, and we see if the phone starts normally or not, or if the phone starts we have some damaged components, anything else, the camera, the speaker, anything working or not, because the water can damage things including the microphones. Microphones could be damaged easily with the water. So as you can see me, I'm going to tear down the device. I'm now removing the cables, the antenna, and something is important, I'm always mention it, is to sort down all the screws, because every screw is different from each other and we don't need to mix them, and then we can dig the board and this is will make something damaged to the phone. We don't know what it is. We could see colors to the screen or anything else. Anyway, I'm keeping sorting the screws. I will meet you once I finished. Now I'm going to start cleaning the flex cable of the charging port, and then I will go through them all and clean it with the alcohol. As I'm looking, I didn't see any corrosion, and this is very perfect, and we have a good chance the phone could be working again without hard work to it. Also, we are going to go through the flex cable of the ear speaker and the screen. And we have also a hidden flex cable, is the fingerprint flex cable. I had the case in the past. The phone was shut down and didn't work because a short causing the fingerprint. Finally, we find where is the short was and we were able to solve the problem. Anyway, here I'm seeing corrosion. There is corrosion with the flex cable. So this is going to be care of better than the other flex cables. I'm going to use the steel fine brush to clean the corrosion. Okay, this is was the last piece. Now I'm going to go to the motherboard. I'm going to remove the shields because we need the alcohol go into there. Okay, this is just fine. No need to remove the front shield. I'm going to stick with this for now, and after we find the phone working or not, we will consider what to do next. Here where I did put the device on the ultrasonic, I just wanted to show you. I was having another board on there waiting to it's finished, and then I'm go put it the iPhone. There is no need to capture this for you. Now the phone is out from the ultrasonic, and now I'm going to go all over the pieces and all connectors and all components to clean them with a brush. I put the device about for 3 hours on the ultrasonic. It doesn't have to be working all the time. Every about an hour I let the machine works for 1 minute, and there is a timer for this machine to works every 1 minute. I have to press the button to work for 1 minute. That's it. So in the 3 hours the machine works maybe 5 times, and that's it. No need to put it all the time. It just works for 5 minutes or about the 3 hours. You can ask me why you leave it for 3 hours while you just let it works for 5 minutes. The answer is when we let the board to stay on the ultrasonic and with the alcohol can leak in every space, and with the time things could be mixed and got removed. This is the reason why I let the device more than the time I let the machine works. Anyway, I'm going to remove all the wrapper to make sure we have a good cleaning under it. As I'm looking, the motherboard seems fine. It should work without any problem. I'm going now to dry the motherboard with the heat gun. I'm going to use the heating at 2 Celsius degree or maybe 150 degree with the maximum air you have on the heat gun. Now I'm going to brush the device without using the alcohol. The brush is dry. I'm going to remove whatever is left from any corrosion because this will just be removed like the dust. Now it's the moment of the truth. Let's assemble the phone back and test to see if the phone will be working again or not. No need to put all the flex cable. We just need the screen with the battery. Let's power on the device. The phone seems not working. There is no sign of the phone. The phone still cold. There is no sign of working. Let's remove the battery and check. Maybe the battery is empty. I'm going to use the power supply to power on the device. I don't know, the flex cable doesn't fit on there. Okay, we have something on there. We have a something left or broke from the battery. I'm going to remove it. That's why the phone doesn't boot up maybe. Now let's put the power supply and test. As you can see, the battery connector is broken. Let's power on the device. Let's wait for it for a few seconds and then the phone will power on. Yes, the phone boot up, but we have something, is the water. The water leaked to the screen and maybe the screen is damaged. Now we will be able to see if the screen is damaged or not. The touch screen doesn't responsive very much. We have something bad with the screen. It doesn't respond, or maybe we have a touch ID issue. So I'm going to assemble a new screen and we will test again. So let's now try the new screen. I got the black screen, new screen. I have already assembled it down. I have also put a fingerprint. I'm going to power on and test. I had also test all the parts of the phone. Everything was fine. We just had to replace the screen, the battery, and that's all. I couldn't capture all of this because the camera stopped working and I didn't notice that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll do something else in the next video. Peace.